Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I am going to be watching some of the how to make Five Nights at Freddy's not scary. Let's watch. Nothing's loading. Okay, there we go. Okay. No one cares about Justin Bieber anymore. Jokes. Most of the people don't like him anymore. So I get told. Looks like you're hugging his camera. Hey Bunny, what's up? All you say is pizza, really. I don't have pizza. You love pizza, don't you? Seriously. Oh, fuck this. Fuck this. Shut up. Shut up. Yeah. Shut up, chicken. Okay, now we're watching how to make Five Nights at Freddy's 2. Not scary. I'll be back when I have the video. Okay guys, I got the video here. I'm just waiting for the FNAF thing. Oh, it's comments. I'm watching this in 2018. And this was made November 13th, 2014. And then number 2.
Well, I'm not quite sure I agree with this design. Holy crap, I look like a woman. So, what about she can? Well, everybody last time complained about how she was.
You are a woman. Looks of it.
Oh, dear God.
Dude, you're broken, seriously.
Mom, is that you?
No, it's Freddy. That's not Pancake. Foxy. Pizza! Cupcakes.
After working so many years at Freddy's, I knew it was my time to leave this world. Times that she grew so great.
Okay guys, now we will be going to watch how to make Five Nights at Freddy's free, not scary. Let's do this. Jesus. Springtrap is my Springtrap is my favorite animatronic. By the way. Okay, where did you come from?
Especially you, funny dude. You're yellow, dude. Okay, shut up with that stupid joke. Hey, whatever color I want to be.
Okay, look, my brother had to do something on his laptop. I'm on his laptop right now. My brother-in-law. But you know who that voice is? Jacksepticeye, obviously.
The reason I got this game was to get scared, guys. Roar. Wow, I'm terrified.
That was himself. You look retarded. Okay, now we'll be watching how to make Five Nights at Freddy's 4 not scary.
7 p.m. today, Ladbrokes will release a special Socceroos Wildcard Market. Log into the app at
I can only record for 15 minutes because like that's my length. If I have enough time, we'll do this how to make FNAF the location not scary. Probably will.
Seriously consider far better like me. It'll be at the end of the video too, don't worry. Enjoy anyway. Or don't enjoy it. I'm really sorry if you didn't want this. Really? Is this really how we're gonna play this clown? For real? I'm sorry, your voice changed in the second one, became Irish in the third, and is now back to the original in the fourth one. This makes about as much sense as the Five Nights at Freddy's storyline. You know,
Oh my god.
about this isn't the same.
Nightmare Foxy, what's up?
Funny joke.
But he did this fart, something no poop, and then Jesus. Jesus. They're going crazy. It looks like they're having a party or something. Jesus. And then they died and lived happily ever after. Alright. Well. Okay, now we will be watching how to make FNAF sister location not scary. And really.
This is officially 100% the last Five Nights at Freddy's Not Scary I'm doing. Last time I said probably because I wasn't sure. Well, I'm sure now. I love your support. However, obviously, I would advise that you check out the other stuff I do and subscribe for the best stuff because that's what I'm going to continue doing. I warn you with this intro right here.
Come on. Yeah.
It looks like you were having trouble with the keyboard. I see what you were trying to type, and I will correct it for you. Thank you for choosing forced chicken pizza voice because that is all I have left in life.
What the hell? Laura. Oh, I'm up to this bit. I can't get past this bit. I don't know how to get past this bit. So I'm gonna need help to get past this bit.
I would advise you to give Foxy a controlled shock, but he's got a shock fetish.
Hello. What's your name again? How did I forget her name? What? How did I forget her name? This girl. How did I forget her name? 1 sec. Is it in the comments? Crap. It's not. Okay.
I don't know, guys. I wasn't as big a fan of Undertale.
Jesus. What's up, buddy? Na 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 na. Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to end this video right here. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.